When I was a junior developer, I thought I knew Git pretty well. But turns out I didn't. I made one stupid mistake that made me lose almost a full week of work. And the only reason I got everything back was because I ran a command I barely understood at the time. Hear me out, because this command can save you in multiple situations. Back in my first year as a software developer, I had already spent a week working on a feature, but I hadn't pushed anything to the remote repo yet, because my junior brain just kept telling me I would push it once it felt finished enough to be shared. But when I finally felt ready to share my changes, I checked my history with git log, and one commit caught my eye. It was this strange, almost empty looking commit that was just looking unnecessary. And because it was Friday afternoon, I thought it would be a perfect time to clean things up. As my junior brain had just discovered git reset hard, and for some reason I convinced myself that head 1 meant remove that second commit. So I confidently typed that command. And because I was not careful enough, I ended up deleting the commit that was the most important one for me. My work just disappeared. Gone from the git log, gone from the branch, just fully gone. At that moment, I just stared at the terminal, refreshing the git log like it would magically fix itself. And then it hit me. I had absolutely no idea where my changes went. So I started Googling it all. I basically tried every kind of tip and trick I could find on Google. And after some time, I found git reflog. So I ran it. The output was just a list filled with movements. And I remember staring it for a few seconds, trying to make sense out of it. And slowly I started to understand that this was Git showing me everything I had done to move through the history. Every reset, every checkout, every step of head moving around. And then I saw it. The commit I thought I had destroyed. Still sitting there, not deleted. I copied the hash and I ran git checkout b recovery and the hash. And then everything came back. But now here's the important part. Git reflog is not magic. It's not a permanent backup for you. It gets cleaned up over time, so you don't have infinite safety. You have a recovery window. But in real life, that window is usually enough, because most mistakes happen fast and not weeks later. It's true that reflog doesn't feel important when you're first trying to learn Git, and it's not something you think about when everything is working, until the moment everything stops working. And the funny thing is that that wasn't the last time it saved me. Not even close. Over the years, the same command rescued me from a hard reset, deleted branch, and a rebase disaster that left my repository in a state I couldn't even explain. So remember this simple rule. If something breaks in Git, like in this video, don't guess and don't rebuild, because you can just run git reflog first. Every time. And funny enough, in my junior years, I thought Git and its special commands was dangerous. But now I realize something else. Git itself isn't dangerous. Not knowing this command is. And now I want to hear from you. What are the worst Git mistakes you have ever made that completely change how you use Git forever? If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Until the next time, craftsmanship of code.